Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hills Workshop. Well, the weather here in Kentucky is just crazy. You know, a few days ago we had a frost one morning, a freeze the next morning, and then here we are, 70-degree weather in our t-shirts, painting the ends of logs. We're trying to get all the ends sealed up so we can, reduce the checking as much as possible. These oak logs are still going to crack in the center. It's just what they do, but I think we can hopefully, reduce that some. So it is a full family effort today to get all these logs painted. Oh, just spilled some. Any place that's been cut.
Which one's this thing?
The white one.
Let me see that one. That's how you do it.
It's like chocolate milk to me. Take a drink. Here you go, Bree. What do you think about the color? It's kind of purpley. I'm not a huge fan of it. Well, we've got about 30 minutes of daylight left. The sun has just dropped behind the trees there. So we're gonna call it a day, try to just finish up what we've got inside our buckets, and then we'll have to finish this tomorrow. Well, if you like these kind of videos, hit that thumbs up button. If you don't like these kind of videos, hit the thumbs down button. Either way, leave me a comment, let me know why. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you. Hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to get notified every time I put out a new video, hit that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.